So update with the RB20 with our no compression and cylinder 5 issue. So I finally found it, and yeah, so long story short, I found the intake valve was sitting lower than the one next to it, and the cause of that was the lifter, which I'm about to show you now, which still blows me away on how this has even happened, because it's literally one lifter that's totally different to all the others in the engine. So yeah, let's have a look. So as you can see here, this is the one that was holding the valve open from seating closed, which caused our loss of compression issue. And this one here is what all the other ones look like in the engine. So yeah, one literally random lifter. And here's all the other ones here, you can see. They're all the same. So yeah, what I did is, cheers to, I can't remember your name, sorry, but I put it up for Instagram, and yeah, I had a guy message saying he's got some spare ones. So when we're at, where were we? Drift Wars with Pete, I ended up getting them from over that way, and yeah, so I chucked it in and did a compression test, and sure enough we had 130, I think, cold engine. So yeah, perfect. That's what all the other ones are. The whole engine's 130 psi through all cylinders. So we'll give it a start up and see what it sounds like now compared to what it did before. And I've given it a clean too, so that's all it does really, is comes out of the shed, gets clean, goes back in the shed. But yeah, so yeah, as you remember before, it only started on 5 cylinders. And at that stage I was very worried, because yeah, freshly rebuilt engine, it shouldn't have 0 compression. So yeah, we'll see what it sounds like now, and she sounds good, but we still need to do a few jobs. So there's the exhaust, proper exhaust, and intercooler piping to sort out, and it's probably going to happen in the new year, because next week we go to Mad Mike's Summer Bash. So I'm currently trying to get all my gear ready for that as well. Got tools over there. So yeah, we're going with a bit of a crew. We've got Chris, he's taking his S13 over, 1J. We've got Andrew taking his AE 86 over. We just actually put a new, what do you call it, a new boot on it actually, so it's like a ducktail, I think it's called. I helped him chuck that on today. He's taking that, and Miles is coming over with Chris, and yeah, we're taking our drift car. We're going Friday morning on the 5th, so we'll get half a day drifting, and then we'll get the full Mad Mike's Summer Bash experience on the Saturday. So yeah, we're amping. So yeah, let's see what this 20 deck sounds like with 6 cylinders. well, I probably should have had earmuffs on then, because man, that's loud. But yeah, as you can see, she's on 6 cylinders, and far out, I'll tell you what, that's the best outcome you can possibly hope for after what happened. But yeah, just want to say thanks to everyone for following, and yeah, next thing, obviously we need a proper exhaust, because don't think the old policeman's gonna like that one driving around town. But yeah, so next video after this one will be Mad Mike Summer Bash. Let's get some fucking drifting in, mate. That's what we're keen for. So yeah, cheers guys, thanks for following, subscribe, push that like button, push the notification button, and let's go.